Hello everyone, welcome to this math video where we are given a rectangular side of a large lorry. There are three metal struts, PQ, QD, DP, and we are given all the dimensions. Part A. Find PQ. PQ is here. Do take note, this is a rectangle. So this will be a right angle triangle given two sides. How do I find the third side? Smart. By Pythagoras theorem, okay? So for part A is simply PQ square is equals to my 2 square plus 3 square. This will give me a value of 13, and therefore my PQ is the square root of 13. 3.60555 to 6 sig feet, followed by 3.61 cm. This will be to 3SF. Okay, part B. PDA, that means I will have to refer to this blue color triangle. Again, it is a right angle triangle. PDA is this angle here. Since it is a right angle triangle, I am going to make use of Picasso. Alright, so angle is given here that we are going to find with respect to this angle. This will be my hypo. 2 will be my opposite side. O and H. I'm going to choose my given Picasso. O and H, I am going to choose my sole ratio, which is sine of angle PDA. Opposite is 2, hypo is 8. So therefore my angle PDA is equals to the sine inverse of 2 over 8. Well, press your calculator neatly to the 8, and I will get 14.4775 6 sig feet, followed by, since this is degree, 14.5 degree, 1 decimal place. Alright, so part B is done. Area of APD, this triangle. Black color. Still the blue color triangle, but they want to find this whole area. How? I can make use of half times base times height, but I will need to find my base AD and given two sides. Yep, I'm going to make use of Pythagoras theorem again. So my AD square plus 2 square is equals to 8 square by Pythagoras theorem. My AD square is therefore equals to 8 square minus 2 square. 8 square minus 2 square is 60. That's my AD square. So AD is the square root of 60. And since this is part of the working, they are not asking us to find AD. They are asking us to find area. So I will keep it as square root 60. And therefore the area of triangle APD. Come, let me create some space. will be equals to half times base square root 60 times height. And this will give me 7.74597 and finally 7.75 cm square 3SF. And let's move on to part D. Let's see what do they want for part D. This is done. Oh, part D. CDQ. So I'm going to focus on angle CDQ. I shall use a green color CDQ. Oh, this angle. And of course, CDQ, I'm going to focus on the green color triangle. Oops. Another right angle triangle, and because it is a rectangle, 2 plus 2, 4. This whole thing is, AD is square root 60. That means my QC is actually square root 60 minus my 3. Because the whole thing is a BC is a square root 60. And once I have this, since the angle is here, I will be able to see that this will be my adjacent side, opposite side. Again, given Tuakaso. So part D is here. Given Tuakaso, I got A and O, tangent. Angle CDQ is equals to opposite, which is square root 60 minus 3, the whole thing, over 4. Therefore, I will be able to get my CDQ pretty straightforward. Tangent inverse of square root 60 minus 3 is on top, 4 is below. Press your calculator neatly and correctly. You'll be able to get 49.8751 to 6 sig fig. This is going to be 1 decimal place. 49.9 degree. 1 decimal place. That is for part D. And part D is done in green color. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.